All right, so we're getting the track ready and ready for the rally racing series for this weekend. Today is Tuesday. Yep, the race is Saturday. Got the Packer out here. It was doing great. We fixed some fueling issues on it, so it's now getting all the fuel. We fixed the fueling issue, so it gets all the fuel, and now we didn't check on the cooling system. So we got the hood lifted up. It's got 2 ratchet straps on it. Yes, it's a very heavy hood, and we're going to do a head gasket right here in the middle of the track because, yeah, that's where we're at. So I'm going to put the time-lapse camera right up there, and we're going to do this head gasket right now. Mike's on his way to Gainesville, and he's going to go get the only head gasket that we could really find. Cummins said they're 3 months out. O'Reilly said special order, and thank goodness for Napa. So I got a head gasket coming, and here we go. All right. Well, oh man. Yep.
Alright, so I got a head gasket kit set without head gasket.
Do what?
Without head gasket.
There's no head gasket in the kit set?
Nope, head gasket set without head gasket.
Well, what good is that?
It's got everything except for the head gasket, it looks like.
Well, where's the head gasket?
I have no idea.
Oh,
Do you
what?
guys have a head gasket?
That's what we need.
What is it for?
A 93 Dodge D250 with a Cummins 5.9.
Let me just speak. Can you repeat it again?
It's a 1993 Dodge D250.
Size engine?
5.9?
Is it Cummins or is it a
Yeah,
gas?
Cummins. Diesel, 5.9 liter. So what's even in the gasket kit if it's not going to come with a head gasket?
Intake manifold, intake air surge, valve stem seal, thermostat housing gasket, thermostat housing, ejector nozzle, I don't know, nozzle seal, fuel filter, all kinds of crap. You do? Because he has the head gasket by itself. That's what you need?
That's all I need. I really just need the head gasket.
Okay. All right. If I have any more questions, I'll call you back.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
Bye.
Get that.
What kind of head gasket kit?
Doesn't have a head gasket.
Not
what type
included
of
with
parts
the head
guy
gasket.
doesn't tell you that the head gasket set doesn't have a head gasket in
Oh
it?
my goodness. It's got all the stuff. The head is still very, very hot.
Fire.
So,
Fair enough.
insulated, I guess, is insulated.
I've got one glove. Get Brian's ass to come help us with another glove.
No. I think we're good. Dad's headed down there. Yeah. Alright, sounds good. Bye. find any messed up pistons?
I am praying we don't. If we find a 50 piston in here, I'm going to die. Make it through it without crying, I was gonna do it, but ain't no way.
If I'm crying, you're crying?
Yeah, you know I will. Hey, did you do the valve progressions?
No.
Awesome. Yeah,
We can do them now.
Right?
We go wash the head out with
Where are we going with it?
Here, grab that impact and move it.
Brand new impact.
It's heavy.
What's the vert, Blake? Thank God.
No, not good.
Not good. Why not?
Good.
Oh.
That's a ring.
Oh, fuck. No, I didn't look in that. I was just looking at piston caps. Oh, no.
Brian, get underneath here. Tell me if we have a plate under this or not.
I don't think there's a small plate.
I need rings.
Yep.
That one's cracked.
Oh,
cracked.
yike. See it? This one's
Oh,
shoving
you got
in.
a cylinder crack?
Not
No.
cylinder cracked.
Right.
I don't let in
Crawl
water
underneath
too.
there.
Okay.
Look,
Yes, appears to be a plate.
right here. Andrew.
Okay. Pistons are good.
It looks like pistons are fine. That's all I was looking at. There's no carbon.
All right, it's still smoking. I don't know if the camera shows it, but that's how hot it is. We definitely we got cracked rings. That one's cracked. That one's cracked. Can you see one over there? Ugh. All right. So now let's see if we can find rings, because that's awesome. Did you leave yet? Okay. Find a place to pull over for a minute. All right. Bye. Nothing's moving.
You're not moving no more.
No.
Okay.
See if you can just. God, it's still hot.
It is.
Go back to square one.
Feel the cylinder walls.
That's ridiculous.
Is it moving now?
Yeah, it was. They're that tight?
Yes,
It's like
after
Superman push it.
that extreme heat. It's tight. Superman push it.
There you go. You traveled a lot.
See if you can pull it. Yeah, that was pulling.
What?
Let me see if I can
Yeah, we were
get two
both
fingers
doing
in here. Go.
Yeah, we're pulling too, Brian.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
I guess. Yep. There's
There's
one.
that one. That's not broke. It's just scarred. You're going to have to tap it from
Yep,
there.
Brian.
What?
Dude, come on.
Keep hitting.
Oh, it's not out yet?
No,
No.
that was one ring.
That was one ring.
Oh.
Oh, that looks...
Oh,
What are you?
Lord.
Oh.
What we got?
Bad skirting on the pistons.
Oh, yeah.
Not
Oh,
trashed rings.
No.
Oh, God, now I gotta find piston?
Yeah.
Frick, should just put a new motor in it.
Let me see it.
This bearing is down the copper, but it does not look terrible.
Come up here and look at this.
Can I get out?
Yeah, come on.
Oh, no.
We just needed the one, really. That one's bad.
That's not.
I guess you need all of them, don't you? Stay down. Never mind. Oh, he's there now.
Holy crap.
All right. This was supposed to be just a head gasket, and this has now turned into a lot more. So here's the pistons. There's the lineup. Cylinder walls are not looking super great on some. Yeah, you want to show the bad ones? I don't know if the camera's going to show it.
I don't think so. I can't really tell. But that's lovely. No, it doesn't really look like you're getting it. Worth a shot.
Well, if you couldn't see the cylinder walls, you can definitely see the pistons, because those are just beautiful right there. This one's probably my favorite, though. That's some nice nice marking. Bearings are looking beautiful. Good copper colors to them. Which one of them had blue? Yeah, was it this one? No, it's not quite blue. But what was supposed to be just a simple head gasket is now a in-frame in the middle of the track that we're racing on this weekend. So one of the winners is going to get a piston and a rod because, yeah, at least we get to win on something. So Mike's coming back with the parts. That was a whole nother disaster. And that's the end of Tuesday. Blake here is going to the beach. He said, I'm not going to be here to put this together. Brian, he's stuck with me. So we're going to get wrapped up, cleaned up. I'll clean up some stuff tonight, try to get the pistons and stuff ready tonight, and we'll be putting this back together tomorrow, which is Wednesday. We race on Saturday, so there's that. Alright, so Mike finally made it back, and what was just trying to be a head gasket has definitely morphed. No, the valve covers did not come in this kit. I just want to go get them because I just cleaned the head. So we did end up getting it from PAI, which I didn't realize that their headquarters is in Sawney, which is only an hour and a half from here. So that was cool because they had everything. And once we realized we needed pistons is when we hit the point of now an in-frame kit, which came with a lot more stuff than I was really looking for, but I'm not going to argue with that. Would you like a wristband?
Ooh, that's pretty.
Yeah, there's two of them.
Ooh, we both get one.
So, slight difference in the, can't tell if it's on camera, a little difference in the two pistons. It did come with a wrist pin, which I didn't expect, so that's exciting. And I'm going to keep the connecting rods, but I got new connecting rod bearings, new main bearings. Yeah, a bunch of cool stuff like that. board's all washed up, looking nice and pretty. Maybe a little surface rust, but I think it came with that. Got a little bit of water left. We'll wipe some things down here. Got the new pistons put on the connecting rods, and man, let me show you some colors here. Some of these, as you guys saw, I had to hammer out. This is what it should look like. Nice and shiny, maybe a little golden color. And here's what a couple of them look like. Very blue, very burnt. Ironically enough, you hear a lot of things about Cummins having issues with, basically as you get farther back in the block, they typically have a cooling problem with the number 6 cylinder. It's a very, very common thing really in the world of diesels, not just in the Cummins world. And interestingly enough, with this overheating problem that we had, it, 1, 2, 3 was pretty good, and then 4 was starting to look bad, 5 was bad, and 6 was the hottest. So it's kind of interesting sort of how that worked, and I don't know if it's because the water comes up into the water pump and it's supposed to travel back and then up and then forward and then out. So definitely a design issue there. Not Cummins' fault for this happening, but I don't know. Have you guys, I don't know if you guys have seen this or not, but gonna keep going. Got the valve covers. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the head so I can try to keep some of the dust out of it. Pistons are done, so I'm gonna clean my box out, stack those all up in there nice and neat. I'm probably gonna flip-flop. Number 6 is now gonna be number 1, and number 1 is now gonna be number 6, just so that I can kind of move the heated stuff back, since number 6 got the most amount of heat and number 1 will get the most amount of cooling. So I'll maybe try to help my connecting rods a little bit there. Did not get rods. Could I have? Yes. Did I? No. Am I going to? No. But here we are. So here we go. All right, got the head all cleaned up. Not super happy. Let's see. Not super thrilled with some of the ring marks on here. Might need to see. Really, at the end of the day, it needs to be decked. Also, at the end of the day, I don't want to deck it. For 2 reasons. 1, I don't really have the time. 2, I don't want to do it. So, we're going to clamp it on here and see if it holds a head gasket. It should hold, but really not thrilled with, well, the camera's going to show that. You can see that divoting there. What's also interesting is that there's a bridge gap here, not here. There is here, not here, and is here. So, not an engineer, don't know exactly what that was for, but just kind of odd. I got the valve covers because I thought that I was going to, bolt them on here, make life good, except you got to have the rocker arms to bolt the valve cover to the top of the rocker arms to hold that on there. So that didn't do me any good. So I guess we'll be leaving that open. So now I need to make a little bit more room on the back of the machine. Throw this on there. This is it for the night. And yeah, we'll get it thrown back together tomorrow. Valves look good. Springs look good. Life looks good. So here we go. All right, so it rained this morning, which was very inconvenient. Really screwed up some plans. So now it's what, 1:30?
Yep.
Got the pistons ready to go in, and I've seen people before use sort of like a sleeve where you take the piston and you just slide it in, and it should compress the rings and push it right down into it. Now I don't have one of those fancy ones out of aluminum. We do have a ring compressor, but those things are sort of a pain in the butt. So I 3D printed one last night, and I have no idea if it's going to work. Probably not. Probably just going to bust the plastic, but we're going to find out real quick. If it does, it's going to make life a lot easier. Alright, so when putting the rings on, I matched up dark ring to dark groove and light ring to light groove, because the only instructions they said was top. Top was the numbers or the wording top. This ring is fatter than this one. So we couldn't get it in with this because, well, we had the wrong ring in the middle. So now we're gonna, hopefully this is gonna work just as smooth as it did for this one. I doubt it, but we'll find out. That ring is not oriented. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. And just like that, this one little tool can do a lot. And yes, this is just 3D printed plastic. All right, next one, because that's going oddly smooth. We have that if you don't mind. Wow.
What are you up to now?
66.
Still?
66, 66, 90 degrees.
Oh, so you do 66 twice, obviously,
Yes.
because it pulls back down. Or are you just gonna wing it?
No, I'd
Okay.
rather follow, but I kind of knew this one, and then I thought it was this one.
Yep, this one 3, 4.
Give me the numbers for the one picture below it. was 89 foot-pounds.
So now
It's 90.
90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Probably easier if we started over here, right?
Oh, I'll do it.
You guys, right?
Yeah.
You know it by now?
Uh,
Just watch it.
let's watch. 890s.
Yeah. You can. Yep.
Whew. Oh, that's exciting.
So that's done torquing.
We're done torquing.
Now it's really just throwing everything back together.
Yep.
The easy stuff I'd consider.
All right, let's talk about.
Oh, filler gauges, dude. You're just gonna make them a little tappy.
That's
That
pretty
one's-
damn
That one's
loose.
really tappy.
I think they're all a little.
They are.
Baby Jake Cummins there. Now, music from a time when hashtags.
I don't like any of those. I don't know about you.
That one must be down.
It is.
That's not terrible. That one's pretty terrible.
Yeah, that one's probably not bad.
Now, these two are pretty bad.
That's pretty rough, I think.
That's pretty bad.
Oh, hold on. Actually, do not keep going.
Oh, is that what that noise was?
Yes, it's the damn fan hitting the. Why is there oil on the ground, Brian? Or did you spill that much? Really? You will look underneath there and make sure we don't have a different leak. I really want to make sure that line is tight. Yeah, that's right. Glad it quit raining.
Yeah, me too.
Alright, now let's turn it over.
Was it doing it?
Yeah, it was squirting. So the injector lines weren't hooked up because I wanted to squirt some fuel out of the injector pump from it just sitting there uncovered. I wanted to get the trash out of there. I think it was clean, but just in case. All right, we are ready to start. Did I plug that back in? Nope. We are not ready to start. Now we're gonna start.
Let me go ahead and close them all. Okay. Because we're getting fuel.
Heck yeah! Oh, she runs. That's awesome. Well, it needs what, a muffler?
Motor mounts.
Oh yeah, we should probably bolt the motor back down. And we just gotta pick up all of our crap and it can keep traveling forward. Brian's turn to run it. Because he rebuilt it, so if he blows it up, it's his fault.
Awesome.
All right, Packer's now moved. Picking up the rest of our stuff. Got to pick up some nuts and bolts. Of course, it's raining now, so there's that. Need to eat lunch. Need to finish picking up a lot of other just stuff. Clean some tools up, and she will continue her journey around the track. It just better make it a little more than half a lap this time. Engine does run good. What do you think, Brian?
It runs good.